Oh, that flake in there looks really good.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Toyota Fanatics. So there is a universal problem worldwide, and it is Toyota white paint. It's not only just Toyota. It seems as if there's some adhesion issues with white paint all across the board. Anyways, let's back it up right now. January 2021, Miss Fanatic finds herself in possession of $25,000 cash. She knew two things. She wanted a second-gen Toyota Sequoia, and she did not want any car payments. She got her second-gen Sequoia, and there was no car payments, but joy only lasted a few months for Miss Fanatic until one morning she walked outside to get in her Sequoia, and she thought there was a moth on the vehicle, and as she went to brush it off, she realized it was a giant chunk of her paint falling off, and it just got worse and worse. I finally decided enough is enough, and on 9/14/23, and I only know that because I read the receipt in the box the other day, I bought a kit. You can buy these off Amazon, eBay, and what it is it's like a 5-can paint kit. They actually create aerosol cans with the base coat, clear coat, mid coat, all the coats with your exact paint specifications. Unfortunately, I knew it was going to be an all-day thing, and I really wanted to have a day where Miss Fanatic was around because I knew if she came home at the end of the day and saw what I had done, she would go, "It looks like crap," and she would not know the stress and the pain and the struggle that went into even making it look like crap. So we found the perfect day, and that day was yesterday. Her and I came outside, and we basically knocked it out over a few-hour period, and I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. If everybody remembers right here, this was ground zero right here. Ground zero. We had another huge chunk on the other side and a huge massive piece missing on the back, but right here was the worst spot. Such an eyesore. That paint's not going anywhere. It is completely fixed. We pulled the weather stripping off, sanded it down, base coated, clear coated. I'm getting the coats. I'm getting them all mixed up. Anyways, we got to it. You guys check out the video from yesterday.
2. So you shake it for 2, turn it upside down, push that thing in, shake it another 2. Is that thing really hard to push in or something?
Two hours later.
All right, so we're all cleaned up now, but a couple hours later and it's getting a little cold, so I want to speed things up. Did you guys know that you can actually run a hairdryer through this DeWalt? That's right. Of course, there's an airplane going up top. You're saying that you think it looks good?
Yeah, that right there looks super good. Yeah, a gazillion times better. Are you kidding?
Cool. I looked at the paint in the garage. I ordered it it came 9/14/23. So it's been sitting in there for 3 months. I have not had the enthusiasm to come out and spend a day. And that we came out around noon, and it's, I don't know, it's cold. It's getting cold now. So that was an afternoon. Definitely need to come out here and do some wet sanding and clean, but yeah, a million times better. So
yes,
all right,
success.
super cool. So anyways, all Toyota white paint will fall off at some point, and I hope you found this video to show you kind of what you do. The paint, well, we got it on eBay, but you can get it on Amazon. There's a bunch of sellers out there that are basically, they'll send you the aerosol cans, primer, everything, and the clear that's color matched for your vehicle. And that's the way to do it if you want to do it for dirt cheap. It's going to wrap up this video, but I just want to say thanks so much, all the viewers, everybody, for all your support. 2023 was a great year. I should have made a lot more videos, but behind the scenes, it was a very crazy year with family, and we bought our house, and it was a wild year, and I really hope it's going to slow down for 24, right? Everybody leave a comment down below, a big old thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. All right, peace.